Hey everyone, Lund Boat Pro here, Chuck Hasse. Just want to take a quick second to talk about annoying water spots that you may have on your boat motor or electronics. One of the tips that I picked up a few years ago, and I know there's a lot of different options out there, but I actually carry a spray bottle with me. I use white distilled vinegar, and I mix it about 75-25 vinegar to water. So some people can go stronger than that. A lot depends on, how long the water spots have been on there. But for me, I like to do the 75-25. And all I really do, and I'm not sure how well these are standing out, but I've got some water spots up here. I'm just gonna give it a couple shots here. And I'm gonna use just a microfiber cloth and just gently rub those away. And that vinegar seems to dissolve that iron, the calcium, everything else that we have in the water here. It eventually just takes those spots right off. After that, some people will apply a thin coat of wax. I like to use a Lucas slick mist, but as you can see, the vinegar almost does that for you. So I use that on my boat, I use it on my motor. I'll actually even use it occasionally on my graphs to wipe my touch screens off. I do drive a tiller boat, so sometimes there are some water spots on my electronics as well. So hopefully it's a cheap option. It doesn't really cost you much of anything to buy a gallon jug of vinegar, and one of these bottles should get you through an entire year.